There's going to be a very easy way to get into AI agents with Hermes. So this is Hermes AI agents. So what are these? These are always on agents that pretty much will work 24/7 with you. There you can start them off at $20 a month, and they will automate everything you can on a computer. This is going to be for a Mac tutorial. If you're on Windows computers, you're on your own. Okay, so if you download for Mac, they have a desktop app. Where am I? Just to kind of show you guys where to get the link. That is where you're going to sign up for your Hermes AI agent for free. Once you click on here, they will have a link for you to download. So once you click download, it's going to just go to a download folder. Nothing fancy. And then you just put Hermes in the folder. So now once you drag and drop in it, if we go Hermes, this is Hermes. This is an AI agent that you can set up that is always on, available, that you can basically do your bidding, which is like super dope. So let's take a look at how to set them up. I'm gonna install. Look at all of that nice organization. Look how easy. AI will open up doors of opportunities. AI will help you pay off debt. AI will bring up, so why are you guys not all in AI? You're just sitting on the sidelines like, oh my gosh, while other people, which is why you're watching this, are setting up a Hermes AI agent. Right now, we're going through literally the whole setup process. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up an AI Hermes agent, because I want you guys to benefit from basically automation. Millie, this one is going to be the easy. Why? Because look how easy it is to set up. OpenClaw is a pain in the butt, too. And then from there, Solomon Digital is like, oh my goodness, today I'm finally learning about Hermes AI agent. Look how all we did. Oh, it's setting up. It's getting full access to my computer right now. Oh dear God. If you don't want AI to have full access to your computer, stop now and turn around and run the other way. Should we allow Hermes to Skynet? I say yes. I say yes. This is how Skynet happens. All right, so I'm going to do other providers. And then, oh, look at this. All right, we're checking out a brain for our AI agent. Trust me, I wish I could zoom in on this, but I can't. So we're going to use ChatGPT or Codex. Perfect. Log into my Codex subscription. See this error message? See the error message? Don't freak out. You're going to go to ChatGPT. That's why you're watching this live stream, so that you don't encounter bugs. Then you're going to click on settings in the bottom left hand corner. Remember, we're making you smarter every day. Then you're going to go to security and login. Everyone following, type AI in the chat. Type AI in the chat if you're following along, because we're literally showing you how to bypass ChatGPT security. I'm just kidding, just to hook up ChatGPT. So you guys, this is the secrets. Okay, so we're going to go security and login. You're going to go all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom, and look at what this says. Oh, what does that say? Codex? Does that say Codex? What is a Codex? Codex is the brother of ChatGPT. Think of Codex as the brother, and ChatGPT is the other brother. They're two brothers. You have ChatGPT, and then you have Codex. One is for talking to as a pen pal. He's your best friend. One is for writing code to help you make money. One is a pen pal, that's ChatGPT in the browser, and two is Codex, who helps you build apps to make FU money. So we want to enable this says make FU money mode enable. And so we're going to say, yes, I want to enable FU money. If you do not have that toggle switch, you are not vibe coding. And so right here, we're going to say, check that box. And then if we go back, remember, we had a little error message. It said, thou shall not pass. And then if we refresh, and then I'm going to paste the code right here. And then we're going to click continue. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Sign into Codex. You may now close the page. You are raving out with Codex mode. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are hooking up Codex to my second brain. We're hooking up Codex. Ooh, why do they make the font so small? I'm sorry, this is like the font for ants. I feel like this looks like a dissertation. Like, I cannot make this bigger. I'm sorry. You have to have good sight in order to work with Hermes. Who would have thought that is actually a requirement? Can you read the letter? Can you read the letters from this far? Like, can you? How good are your eyes? Like, I don't know about your eyes, but that is like, I cannot make the letters out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. So what brain do you want? Change. Oh. We're selecting a brain for my Codex. Should we just go baller all out? 5.6 Soul the 5.6, the one that's like mega version, the Fable Killer, or do we chill with the 5.5? I don't know about you guys, but I want to stretch my tokens, and so I'm gonna chill with the 5.5. So everyone, that's what we're gonna do. Just do the 5.5 and then begin. Look at this Hermes AI agent. Now, if we go on the left-hand side, we have a couple new sessions. We have new session, which is basically just chat with him. We're gonna say hello world. That's how you say hi to your Hermes agent. Is he alive? Hello. It's checking with my ChatGPT subscription as the digital brain, and we're going to find out if our AI sentient employee will chime back on his first day of work. He's probably getting out of bed right now. He's alive. I did not type that. We just talked to an AI sentient. This is now the future. This will do all of your work. This will remember all of the details about you. This will whisper sweet, sweet nothings to your ear and tell you how amazing you are every single day. This is your ultimate AI assistant, and you can give him so much work. And so now, so that's new chat. And look, we just got a first conversation. So this functions just like Cowork, basically. So Cowork is if you could do Cowork, you can do Hermes AI agents. So very easy. So if you can install and use so for some people, Claude. So Claude on your desktop. Oh, look, even mine comes in and says Dr. AI returns. Usually it's like late night doc, and I'm like, yeah. So this is Cowork. So with Cowork, very similar. You can have Hermes, and now you can have two agents. One's will super control your computer. One will allow you to control your whole computer away from your phone, basically. So